Oh, this is a really cool thing. So this right here, check this out. Oh, this is too big. Shrink it down. Okay, so this is really cool. This is the relative rotation speeds of the planets, and they're visualized. So basically what this is showing you is how fast a planet is rotating around itself. How fast a planet is spinning, basically. Yeah, so as we can see, let's start with Earth, right? So Earth, as we know, one spin of Earth is a day, right? Venus, though, look at that. Venus, I believe also Venus, a year is shorter than a day on Venus. So Venus is almost a full Earth year to spin. 1 day on Venus is almost a full Earth year. Mercury, about 60 days is one full spin. Let's go down to Mars. Mars is very similar to Earth, which is crazy. Like when you think of these two planets together, and how similar that they are. I mean, look at that. 24 hours, 36 minutes versus 23 hours. Like it's just like 30 minutes off. Like it's so similar, Mars and Earth, but obviously different. This one I find crazy. I mean, this must be the storms. Jupiter, look at how fast Jupiter is just flying by. It's easily the fastest one. It's easily the fastest spinning planet. And it must be the storms. It must be the craziness. But what's like mind-blowing about that is the planet is just so much bigger than all the other planets, right? Like, look how fast Earth is spinning and Mars. And then look how fast Jupiter's spinning, knowing how much huger that planet is, right? And the same kind of goes for Saturn. Like, Saturn is super huge. And it's going a little bit slower than Jupiter, but not much. Saturn and Jupiter very similar. Earth and Mars very similar. It's weird. Venus is like this weird standout when you see it like this, right? And Mercury's kind of its own thing too. I mean, you want to talk standouts? Let's go over here. Let's look at Uranus. It's going backwards. It's like, what the heck's going on here? It doesn't know what's happening. It's literally, out of all the planets are going one way, and Uranus is going the opposite way, and it's taking 17 hours to do it. So very interesting. It's also interesting how Neptune is basically the same time. Like Uranus and Neptune are the same. Jupiter and Saturn are the same. Earth and Mars are the same. Like we have like these like twins it's kind of cool to think about like that. But Neptune is going the proper way. 16 hours. So more normal. Still fast. Still very fast compared to Earth and stuff. But Uranus is going the opposite way, which is very strange. Anyways, I just thought this was a very cool visualization to look at. Just neat. This is just neat stuff. Space is just neat. And when you look at things like this visualized, it kind of gives you that data of like, wow, things are like weird. You know what I mean? Like things are similar and things are different. It's just it's neat. It's neat, guys. I hope you enjoyed that.